Meow, 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 meow. Hey there, friends. Welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're going to learn how to draw a cat. And there we go. Okay, so before we get started on this cat, let's make sure we have the colors we need so that we can start and complete this project. So I'm going to use black as my outline color. Always got to have that one. And then I'm going to use 2 shades of gray, a light gray and a medium gray. And then I'm going to use a pink. Okay, so go grab those colors and come right back. So starting with the black as our outline, we're going to do a big upside down U shape. Okay, so start about here, we'll go up and then come straight back down. Okay, and then we'll do a line straight across the bottom. Make sure they're all nice and connected. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to put a curve shape over here on the side. And I'm going to come back, and that's going to be the tail. So we're going to go up, curve, and we're going to come back, just like that. Okay, and then we'll do a little zigzag here at the tip of the tail to give it a little bit something different. And then I want to do 2 big triangles here on the top, and those are going to be the cat's ears. And we'll do littler triangles here on the inside, just like that. Okay, so let's do the front paws, the front legs of the cat. So we'll do a line here that's slightly angled in on both sides, and then we'll do a line straight down. Okay, and then we'll do 2 little lines down here, and those will be the front of the cat's paws. Okay, now next I want to do his face, and then he's a happy cat, so let's give some little upside down U's here. Not straight on, but there will be slightly curved down. And then let's do a pretty wide triangle here, upside down, and that'll be the cat's nose. And then we'll do a big W shape, just like that, and that will be the top of the cat's mouth. And then a little U shape underneath, and that's the cat's chin. Okay, now the very last thing we need to do on drawing this cat is we need to give 2 little whiskers on each side coming out from the sides of the face. And there we go. Okay, so now it's time to color. So I am going to start with my light gray, and I am going to do a line that curves along the inside of the cat's body, just like this. So starting about the top middle and then going down all the way to the left, okay? And then I want to color in this outer triangle here completely. Here, and then I'm going to do a line across the top here for this cat, for this side of the cat, okay? And then next I want to do, let's use my darker gray next. And we're gonna color in the tail. Okay, and then we were going to color in the rest of this ear here. And then I'm also going to color in everything else inside of the cat here except for the nose, okay? So I'm going to fast forward, and then I'll see you back here in just a minute. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is color in my light pink. And so I'm going to do that for the inside of the ears here and for the nose. And you know, now that I'm looking at it, I think this cat needs just a little bit something extra. And I am going to give 2 little sprigs of hair on the top of his head. So I'm going to go boop, boop, just like that with my outline color. Okay, thank you guys so much for stopping by to draw with me today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye. Whoa, make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to DoodleToots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.